Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Omian kase oba dollar ebe kofom kura. But ye would about Omia assure say there are ways and means able to me ya. Ebe masabio even se patro kwa ne bwokosro kura mpona. Emme ye adekesi bi wo ye maimu. So the man was talking about bringing in state buses, electric car. The man was talking about building solar panels. Say to media cut the electricity the petrol ne produce to me cut 50%. Never solar. Now the price of electricity in our country so it's what 50%. But there was an idea and there was a plan. Listen, there was an idea. The idea is to solve this cost of fuel price, high price. It was also a solution to a problem. And it is a Dr. Baumiani campaign on fuel soa. Because the price of fuel does not depend on Ghana, but it depends globally. He did not talk about, I will let fuel price come down. But he actually said, he is going to make sure we will consume less fuel. That is a solution. But listen to the messages that this Nkrofo will cover fuel. Akufo-Addo is insensitive. MPP are buying is insensitive. How can you add this tax to them? Ye kaya drubabi say taxes ibinum go patro no so a gu hoba say yes. The ntia ye de ba ye atwam ba still an egusoje. Enti Akufo-Addo na ye wicked. Enu ntia sabio oguso a oji taxes ibinum adi. Enti omode omoba they will reduce the fuel price to the lowest level. Timiyepa. Enemy about me, Baliba. Dear Ben, Titropa at the fuel level, at the fuel economy, no, saying is it here. The fuel economy of the country today, saying is it here. Because on mine to say money, you hear solutions. So you hear solutions. The fuel of the country, the fuel price of the day is this one here. Timiepa. Price of fuel in your country today, no, it is this one here. Timiepa. This is Goyo fuel price, 31st March 2026. Saying Baumiane woho. Enanka Sabiu. Because of global crisis in tea. Ahochira ba. Ena patro buoko sra. Nke enam se. Our energy enye solely produced by fuel. No eye half by fuel and half by natural sun. And even though the prices of these things are higher, but it wouldn't have affected us. But then Nkrofo we na no mo ka se ya wie mo mra ne yenko chenni ye de ye ba ye betwa petrol so petrol why and look at the price of the petrol. Look at the price of petrol today in your country. This is the price. Diesel at 17 Ghana cedis. Super X at 13 cedis 30 pesos. Super BM at 14 cedis 35 pesos. Mimia or say Anthony Mwakwaba. Mami estaboko there. I was saying, I'm not bringing mahama. Say ono na ama patro boy dren. Me yes sir. Na ma reduce my level to that one of ebejina haya eyezu eyezafo no bi. Temiyepa. Say me yes sir. I have reduced myself to eyezu eyezafo no bia. Because me too in perfect say na ita de mamu patro. A diesel, a liter of diesel, and I'm 10 cents. There was some filling stations. And I know, say, it actually comes from somewhere else. You cannot manage it or you cannot make it costless. But my question is, why should Mahama, on why President pay you? Or no, why vice president paying? Why should he have to come out and tell Ghanaians when he was in opposition, say, Eye no krese Ukraine ne Russia ko. E ho na ye fa ye petrol ne ye diesel ne ye gas ne ye niema bebere free. Onimpa o, why ye president before? Why a vice president also before? Why a minister so paying? So he knows how the global economy or the geopolitics a function. So he's aware of everything. And my question is, why did he use these issues of fuel prices in his campaign messages? Was he deceiving Ghanaians? Or fire to say more na? Eye no kwese ne nsem no kan ne da bi se Ghana for e was short memory no or apply e wo yeso ana. I want to understand. Say papa no eteki ye say ye short memory association for ana. Anampo no said o kan asem bi say when we are after power we lie. Assembly nim say ye no kore their frame. Okatana ni any din tradition na say what happened? Because Brana na Ukraine Russia kono. Abruchiri haya, Italy haya. The same thing happened. Said the name can't you support to board this a book no. Sa na cost no so ha. But the NDC were able to crafted say because of mismanagement ewo MPP abaimu ena ama patro any diesel ne bokosoro. So my question today is say John Daraga Dramani Mahama woni nkrofo said ya mukane dabi no Russia ni Ukraine emu wapa yani omo man. Na se ye kan sa nso dia ye man no man na ye firi mu no ene Iran ni Israel ni America emu twipa esene Russia ni Ukraine enti papa e ba ne se na ne Israel ni America ni Iran for mo ntokwanti ye patra ye to ne bo etim kokodru sei. This is the question that I'm asking John Mahama because John Mahama also asked the same question to Yeura Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo concerning why should Adentia was said the Ukraine and Russia and your Montokwa and who's in transfer a bit to me about Ghana mine. Asema Papanaka in it.
Ukraine-Russia war. Now Ukraine-Russia omo kwa efa ya Ghana for efa ya hube. Yeah, it's a baby. Ukraine-Russia war. What's not play mu now kasa wo call Ukraine na. Ufi Accra 7,000 kilometers and san wakodru. No mo kwa montokwa. Den say yesika sem. Na Cote d'Ivoire son kasa. Say Russia Ukraine omo kwa. And so,
a few moments later,
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices.
Oh, why didn't you basta send this to form a move? Hey,
Abusia Sawatio. But I would have mahama to opposition, no. Asama you mahama kayene. Says Ukraine Russia kwa. Why should it affect Ghana economy on petrol and diesel? Ene Nyankopo Mpebone. The same issue is happening very far, but be assembly seen than Okurano. A whole was saying, but be an assembly cost that me and Richard Mokwaba. But be assembly seen, no. A whole wa a sin, but be an assembly the beer, na mahama, edika man for ya beer. So I'm asking Mr. President, Dariga, what has changed? And now you mahama. Papa no, he don't actually respect Ghanaians. Tie. And the Yura Mahama Kotna si kushia CSO so oni omu din koma. Tie me yepa. After the reality has catch this man. Okushia CSO no oni omu din koma o say we were beginning to enjoy some of the lowest price of fuel. Unfortunately, the Iran-Israel war happened. Eti memente brofo. Mimisuko ameko ye mekoni terikasam timi Latino. I'm out me from Latino. E normal. But mitimi kan ade we papa ya atwere ho se. He's making it clear say fuel prices are not governed by Ghana. Papa ya huye ni mu kan kire yen say price of fuel no enye Ghana man no they decide how much they should sell it to the ordinary Ghanaian. Ene a wanya power no ena okasa asem na kire. But obra no te abontene no o kan kire wo say adenti I was say yen kase eye how be e koso wo man foforo bi so na de how abre yen. Brother, my sister, my auntie, my dofufo no. The question is simple. Do you think Mahama failed say Ghana for ye nkwase afo ana? A question na me bisa. Because he is not even ashamed to talk about them. After the reality has catch him, or the confidence to stay in front of the country, to stay in front of the national media houses. Say, Ntesura otutu form dabino. Osande ne techrema ekobo mutafre emene eguniyam na ogusu hwewanim. This is a disrespectful act. A very, very disrespectful. Say udin trochreme. Now sansunya college. Ediji to me free minsam. Now unya can say college bejina manim san ka kire me say udin trochreme. But the same way, you will get some stupid comedians or multi-dynamo bebo munsam edama darigaman way. A man for a transebo munsam edema papa way. Abra odin trochan kontompo edio mwatem because we a yatemu de direct. Chese o kancho se we kwase ampanyini. We jimintia mi din trochro say koto abama me na me ba meti petro so emfa ho se ntokwa bi koso obabi wa jiminti uji tu mu koto aba enti ene me be kire so ye kwase ampanyini. John Mahama was indirectly insulting his party full soldiers. What did you want them in front? Some way more money adrene. And then there, we were beginning to enjoy some lowest price of fuel. Unfortunately, the Iran-Israel war happened. Mahama. Unfortunately, John Darega Dramani Mahama's second coming administration happened to Ghana. Unfortunately, because of your short memory association group, what created your motive was said, Jimmy, 50 cities, Obeto amount, 10 cities, Obeto amount. Omani Indomie, Preti Bakwa, Obekwa Koda, a polling station home at the action of a tonentem de Amajo Mahama, because your promises say a bar, a man a cocoa bako. If a man Indomie box back, if a man a fry tall, Jimmy, and any end. Now, listen to what the actual Minister of Energy said when fuel prices went up in time of Yura. Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo.
Concern the rampant and unbridled increase in petroleum prices demonstrates that the Akufo-Addo government is insensitive and heartless to the ordinary Ghanaian. It is equally important to put on record that Ghana is a net exporter of oil. Therefore, when prices of oil at the international market rises, Ghana must benefit, and this benefit must be translated to the ordinary Ghanaian. When prices go up, because we're a net exporter, we gain more. And so it cannot be the case that international oil market prices are going up, and yet Ghanaians are suffering from the windfall that we make from petroleum exports. The recent increase have only resulted in worsening of the living conditions of the already impoverished Ghanaian under the Akufo-Addo presidency. One cannot but come to the conclusion that the Akufo-Addo-led government has run out of ideas. Hence, their decision to resort to such a rampant petroleum increase.
Oh, why didn't get basa send this to form memo? Hey,
But just what the year, Paul. Sabre no mono. Sa papa we no opposition. I'm saying fena buj na po. Or see the cost of petroleum na cost no. E na nado danko Akufo-Addo aban and a ye kushini only margin bi odi bebu man and inti ama petrol bo kosoro. The questions still remain the same. Metumi atra ha menso meka se John Mahama ne na ban omone solution bia omone adwene bia ene nti ene patro ne bo ekosoro ana we madam fu bi ne se me misama no utumi kire wadwen e comment section boss kama is it true that John Mahama that regards administration a lack of ideas and inti a patro bo kosoro na abana ye de bo tachi no ye de bebo ba the and the price of petrol, diesel and gas has started skyrocketing. Akufo-Addo is no more in power. MPP is no more the party that is ruling. Enti abana amode boy and dabino. Ye de bomb on so bisamo say. Enti is it because of lack of what we call ideas and ama the price of petrol akoseyana. Anamu ye nkonto mpofo mutumi di ntro edcv the ordinary Ghanaian to vote for you for no reason. These guys must come and answer themselves. And I thank God to say time is the best judge in the world. And this time, naturally, without anything, NDC is admitting all the lies that they throw into the air when they wanted to come into power. Everything is catching them one by one. We a fuel price SM and I'm the Brawi. So why do you comment section box for? Ye barber to us so ne ye din komo afa another matter. You ria baha. Me da se unya bre na uditie this first part of my editorial. Message say like a video, no share, comment. Na unya subscribe so na wa subscribe no abeka abusian ku eno eho. Yemra sisi entwe animra.
Oh, why drink kete basa send this for memu? Hey! Eyezu. Oh, why drink kete basa send this for memu? Hey! Eyezu.
Yes, why drink kete basa to say NDC for amamuo. Eyezu. Na wa so eyeza enra. Guy no say hey. Na me de me ko he ene ye beto aso ye besemu ene de ba se ye besemu pa so ye besemu amaba bia ayede ai midin eda so eye Raz Mr. Mafo editorial Raz Media GH on YouTube. Meso say like video na share my on like here and our like unsubscribe so remember to subscribe to my channel and become part of my great family. Yen samra back into the room na yemfa the other matters a ball hot on the media. Abusia. Here John Dramani Mahama, when he was in opposition, can say Akufo-Addo don't want to sign the LGBTQ plus bill because according to him Nana don't pese obe pass bill no dear. Ye to abama ni be di president obe duru ya obe sign bill no ama nipa e mema ni mema omo ne mada entumi nkoso e wo Ghana maimu papa ne ka sa asem no enam so ma Sam George nom ebo won homodene edi trumu sem no beto MPP amanyokuo eko mo se MPP amanyokuo supporto trumu efo enema ye ka se da bi entisa sa trumu ho nsem no something very dedicated. Se wo sori se wo ya ban na wo de emra bi enforcement bi ekoto trumu ho a it means say you are actually fighting the white man or more the supremacy on us. John Mahama said that. In fact, John Dramani Mahama on his campaign tours said something about trumu yenti na yemra.
Judy in my faith is against LGBTQ. Me Assemblies of God me. If we say the faith I have, Empany say Bema, Bewari Bema, Oba, Bewari Oba. Bill a war parliament, Omunyam passing, but say Abayan actually says Omu passing president on sign. If we say the attorney general like can say Bibi a private members motion. Obetimi pass a bill with a private members motion, but enisa edekabia ebeto abanso. And based on that technicality, President Asegna said Seba on signing. In terms of idea between Parliament and the executive, omoshe na omokan, ebia sombeshe bill numwa, normal bibia it puts a charge on government na omoye no free. Then it opens the way for the president to be happy to sign the agreement. And so, me personally, Benjin this, and a man is a man, a woman is a woman. Me believe it say nipa utimi sorry I say me fili wo me muse me oba. And so yeah, wo me be mind to me cause no my oba. They be, I mean, nature created as man and woman. And Nyame Boyano, he knew what he was doing when he created us like that. And so if you ask me, my personal faith is against it.
Abusuante ni yepa. Asemna papa ne kan ni yepa. Ti asemna papa ne kan ni yepa. O se de ben. Odo no ase John Dariga Dramani Mahama de. So Babeye, the president of the Republic, Sabir no obesan kura na onwene ho. Na onti ase de ntia. Yewura na na do so onye den. Onsan Sabir no. Enti ono de oba se de tie bia no. Sabir no obesan atenensa e de afiri ho. Na dabia me kasa me ka asem bi e de kire Ghana fo se. Yewura John Mahama no. Enye ne first time oben akonwa nie. Bra na Yewura Mahama ni yedi nkomo no. Na onye obi a onim the corridors of power, what it means. He knew everything. He was aware of the geopolitics, how it functions. He was aware of all these issues. John Mahama on Adam for a friend and Soromo, or you gave for president. John Mahama's friend is Andy Soromo. You who saw an damn pum or more trapicina. Man guess more for Muhu or more damn pum. So the man knows how complicated it is, that issue. But on him say, there were crophobia or why from mole supporters, Jimmy Adokru won't know. So cast on only against that, that people will go there and vote for him. John knows, say, by saying so, no, he is going to win heart of the people because that time, Kwasi Ampanyi Sam George and Nkrofo at TSC dream our motium everybody they say Akufo-Addo must stop LGBTQ plus in the country. So many people were all about that issue. No, say Ghana, say we Ghanaians, until say we want to hear a proper campaign message, you know. We will always be fooled by the stupid men because any partner about Kenyan Sasema no, we are not ready to hear that one. We are ready to hear unnecessary campaign messages. Utihoy.